In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wayfair with Shopify using their affiliate and feed options. It's a fantastic way to seamlessly connect two powerhouse platforms, allowing you to take advantage of Wayfair's extensive catalog while managing your store through Shopify. First, you'll want to join Wayfair's affiliate program. To do this, head over to cj.com. Once there, search for Wayfair and click on the option to join their affiliate program. Becoming an affiliate will allow you to earn a commission on any sales generated through your unique links. This is a great opportunity to monetize your existing traffic or reach new audiences with products they love. Once you're accepted into Wayfair's affiliate program, you'll need to grab your affiliate or deep links. Navigate to your CJ account where you'll find options to copy these links. This step is crucial as these links will track any sales back to your account, ensuring you receive the necessary commissions. Be sure to copy the links carefully and keep them handy for the next steps. Now, let's head over to Shopify and start integrating these links. Log into your Shopify account and go to the Products section. Click on Add Product to begin creating a new entry in your store catalog. This is where you'll add the Wayfair products you want to promote. In the Product Creation section, you'll see a field labeled Buy button or Product URL. This is where you'll paste your Wayfair affiliate link that you copied earlier. By doing this, whenever a customer clicks on the product in your Shopify store, they'll be redirected to Wayfair, and any purchases they make will be tracked back to you as the referring affiliate. With the affiliate link in place, it's time to manually add the product details. Input the product images, the title, and the price of the item. While Wayfair offers great imagery, make sure the images are uploaded clearly on Shopify so customers get an accurate view of what they are considering purchasing. Double-check the product title and pricing to ensure everything aligns with what's displayed on Wayfair. Finally, once everything looks good, go ahead and publish the product on your Shopify store. When a visitor browses your store and clicks Buy, they'll be seamlessly redirected to Wayfair with your affiliate link included. This not only makes the process smooth for customers, but also ensures you earn the commission you deserve. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate Wayfair with Shopify using their affiliate and feed options. This setup allows you to effortlessly showcase Wayfair products on your Shopify store while taking advantage of affiliate marketing opportunities. Happy selling, and I hope this guide helps you tap into new streams of revenue with ease.